In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced search operators in Dropbox on the web to refine your file and folder searches by type, date, title, and more. Whether you're managing personal documents or collaborating with a team, mastering these search techniques can save you substantial time and effort by helping you pinpoint exactly what you need from your countless files. First, let's explore the supported operators and how to use them effectively. One useful tool in your search arsenal is the title operator. This allows you to search only the titles of files and folders. By placing your search term in quotes, you can even force an exact phrase match. So, for example, if you're looking for a file titled Annual Report, you would type in title, Annual Report, and Dropbox will show files whose titles match exactly. Next, we have the type operator. This is perfect when you need to filter results by file type or extension. So, if you're on the hunt for PDF documents, you'll simply enter type PDF in your search. Or, if images are what you need, type image does the trick. The before and after operators come into play when you're working with time-sensitive documents. With the before operator, you can locate content modified before a specified date. For instance, if you enter before 2023-01-01, Dropbox fetches files that were last modified before January 1st, 2023. Conversely, with after, it finds files modified on or after a particular date. Typing after 2024-05-01 will bring up files from May 1st, 2024 onward. For those times when your search needs a bit more complexity, the AND and OR operators allow you to combine terms. The AND operator lets you narrow the search to results containing all the specified terms. Typing budget and 2025 would show files containing both words. Meanwhile, using the OR operator broadens the search to find files that include either of the terms, such as budget or 2025. Now, let's see how to actually use these operators in Dropbox. Head over to Dropbox.com, sign in, and locate the search bar at the top. Type your query, utilizing one or more of these operators we've discussed. For an advanced query, you might enter something like type spreadsheet after 2024-01-01, sales Q1. Press enter, and Dropbox will present results that match your specified filters. Once you have your results, you can further refine them using the filters, or drop-downs, on the search results page. These allow you to sort by criteria, such as folder, collaborator, and more specific date options. If your results don't quite meet your expectations, you might try simplifying your search terms or double-checking the date format. Remember, the correct format is year, month, day, or YYMMDD, and there you have it. A straightforward but powerful method to make your Dropbox search far more efficient. Happy searching!